Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Techland. Today I'll try my best to explain the layers as easily as I can. So I got my project and on the right side you can see there are three layers, and if I uncheck the layers will disappear. The middle layer is the text layer, and if I select it and move it, only the text layer will be affected. The first layer is my texture layer, and normally it will kill the whole photo, but if I blend it, it will create a new texture. So I have to choose layer, then blend them together. I can do the same thing with my text layer too. You can simply drag a layer to the plus icon to duplicate it. And if you want to play around, then you can create a new layer and do whatever you feel like. And if you want to delete the layer, rest of the photo won't be affected. You can also play around with the opacity of the layers, and you can add as many layers as you want. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it.